gallant stands. We're going to win. We've got to fight climate change. But here's the bottom line: if we can get the GOP Congress to start defunding the spigot of now up almost $2 trillion going to all this green energy crap, there's no way Hochul's going to be able to stand. There's no way these last they're not going to be able to stand because the money won't be there. And Donald Trump gave a speech, I believe it was yesterday, where he essentially cryptically told his what's his name, former governor of North Dakota, Burgum, who's now in the Interior Department, that offshore wind has got to go. So he's asking them to step up. And there's a lot of things you can do. All you have to do is apply 1% of the energy that the Biden or Obama administration applied to fossil fuel projects. In other words, make them do environmental reviews, start reviewing them for endangered species impacts. All the offshore wind would stop immediately, but they've been given complete waivers on all of that. And by the way, if you go to Climate Depot today on the same vestiges, the new analysis about EVs. Now, they're fine if you want to buy an EV, but don't pretend that they are green because the new analysis, I've already said they weigh 1,000 pounds, take 500,000 pounds of materials, but here it is. 26 pounds of lithium and 261 pounds of lithium in one Tesla battery, 10 pounds of cobalt, 110 pounds of nickel, 9 pounds of magnesium, 55 pounds of copper, 44 pounds of aluminum, 154 pounds of graphite, steel, plastic, non-renewable plastic, by the way, other metals. This is in one Tesla battery. Now, I'm not for torching Teslas, but don't pretend that their Teslas are saving the earth on the other side of that as well.
Yeah, a good point. Mark, before we let you go, on the Great Reset that you talked about, I could see how when Donald Trump was talking about the 25% tariffs, on cars not made in America and the auto parts as well. But I could see the global thing. It's like we're all one. We're going to make auto parts in China. We're going to make our antibiotics in China. And then we I love that Donald Trump is fighting that globalism. It's globalism because you got to protect yourself because otherwise we're at the risk of the insanity of what they're talking about in the European Union. Correct?
We are, yeah, tariffs are completely constitutional, and I think Donald